Hello, so this should be the last part of our surface integral video already. Of course, we're going to have another example on how to solve this. So we have looked at the normal two different methods of solving it, and then after that you have looked at how to solve it in scalar field. And remember, the last part is actually on vector field. So let's explore that. All right, and of course, when we talk about surface integral of vector field, it's actually very much closely related to this term that we call flux. All right. So if you're just wondering, okay, what is flux here? So flux is exactly the surface integral of a normal component of magnetic field passing through a surface. All right. So if I have a surface, all right, and remember, surface integral is basically getting this whole thing here. All right, so flux is actually surface integral of normal component. So normal component is also the orthogonal part or perpendicular part, all right, perpendicular component to this surface. All right, so flux here is basically the surface integral of your normal component of your field passing through the surface. All right, so when we have situation like this, we say that we have flux. But say if I have it like this and my vector field actually goes like this, do you think we actually have flux here? So you guess it right, we don't have any flux here. Why so? Because this, maybe this will be clearer when I write it down. So flux, as also written as denoted as this symbol here, is actually the surface integral of my vector field f dot n cap ds. All right, so you can see that you actually have a dot product with this normal component, and by definition it actually is the surface integral, all right, of normal component of your field that passes through the surface. All right, and of course, if you recall back where your n cap ds is equivalent to what again? My n cap ds is actually equivalent to my negative I df over dx minus j df over dy plus k. All right, dA. Okay, so this will be the important part of what you need to remember for the last part here, because we're talking about vector field. So you just have to remember that by now you actually have all the bases already, and you have are also familiar with this unit vector normal already. So you just put it back the same way as it is with dA here. All right, but of course, let's look at example, and we will explore this together in let's take example 4 of your lecture slides. Yeah, and we'll do this in the next video. Okay.